Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will try to find out the best way to stabilize Tamron 70 to 180 because we all know that this lens doesn't have inbuilt image stabilization. Okay, so at least it's 70 to 180, so it's a telephoto zoom lens. You can also use it as a portrait lens. It's a very good lens. I think that all of guys love it, but it doesn't have image stabilization in it, and I will try to find the best way to stabilize. And here just meet my one model, it's Bruno, and I will try to catch this little guy in this lens with this lens. And my another one model is Candy, so I will try to chase them with this lens. Okay, and here we've got 5 ways I will try to stabilize this lens. So first will be no stabilization, handheld. Second one, active steady shot, it's 40% crop in ZV-E10 which I'm using. Third way, catalyst browse, about 13-15%. Fourth, mounted on a tripod. And 5, tripod with catalyst browse, also about 14-15% of crop. And that's my tripod, and it's going to be mounted like that for this video. And okay, let's go to the point. The first one, Tamron with any stabilization, handheld position. So as you can see, a lot of shakiness, so I think that it's very hard to accept this kind of footage. The second one, we've got an active steady shot mode in ZV-E10, it's about 40% crop, and I have to tell you that I like this one, and I think it's very good, and a lot of guys can be satisfied with that kind of effect. So it's a strong point for this active steady shot mode from ZV-E10. Okay, the third one, it's a catalyst browse only, handheld, about 14-15% crop, and we have to tell that it's also very nice. I like that one. It's a little bit still shaky, some imperfections, but I have to tell that I like that one, and it's also okay. Maybe a little bit worse in here than active steady shot, but maybe if I made about 20-25 crop it would be better. Okay, now we've got tripod and no stabilization, and so I was also making some little movement with hands, so you can still see it in here, so it's also not perfect, but if you have some still shot and don't touching the camera, it would be okay. Okay, and the last one, and I think that it's my favorite one, it's tripod and catalyst browse, and for me it came out just outstanding. It's very good. I can see at least no shakiness. It's like almost like a gimbal look, or like a very good steady shot in a lens. So guys, just look at it. I very recommend this kind of combo. So I will mount it in a tripod plus catalyst browse, and for me it's something like perfect. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you like, subscribe this video. See ya.